Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you what charger you can use on Motorola Edge 50 Pro in order to charge your smartphone. So if you have your charger included in the box, as you should of course, you will find a quite huge charger that has 125 watt, and this one has the USB Type-C plug, and as well as the device itself. It also has the USB Type-C. So technically you should use a cable that has USB Type-C on both ends. However, it is not really required. I also have my own charger, which has the normal USB end. I mean, on one end there is normal USB, and on the other I have, of course, the USB-C, and it still works. Of course, it's a little bit weaker than this one, the original one. But you can use, I suppose, up to 125 watt charger. I suppose you could also use a stronger one, but in order to get the best results, you should have this kind of charger. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.